Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today is a bit of an exciting day for me, as I am taking a trip up to Custom Fit Guards to have my custom moulded earplugs done. Wow, it's windy today. It's something I wanted to do for a while now, actually. Yeah, so today's the day that we're going to go and get those fitted. I say fitted, they're going to take the mould, and hopefully then in about 6 weeks time I will have a pair of custom moulded earplugs. So I've just noticed that my BMW Nav 6 is doing that ghosting thing, which is wonderful. It wasn't doing it up until today. I haven't had an issue with it at all, but now it seems to be that there's an issue, so there we go. Just trying to sort that out. So yeah, I'll bring you back when I find something interesting. I mean, obviously you've seen this route many times, so yeah, I'll bring you back shortly. So we're just going past Goodwood. It's a lovely day again, which is great. It's about 12 degrees. I think it's supposed to get up to 15 today. So yeah, so we're on our way up to Custom Fit Guards, as I said, to get my ear moulding done. I could have had a home appointment, but the dates for April weren't out yet, and my concern is I want them really for when I go up to do my Scotland trip. Excuse me, and I think they can take about 6 weeks. So I just excuse me, so I just figured if I can get up there and get my moulding done and get them before I go, and it's a nice ride out. I mean, it's going to take me a couple of, I think it's 2.5, 2.75 hours, something like that. So but it'll be a nice ride out. That was the intention. I've got a couple of days off work, use up my annual leave before the end of the year, and the weather was looking fair for today, so I thought, why not? So I've arranged with the guys at Custom Fit Guards to go up to their HQ, get the moulds done. I'll put a link in the description below. It seems that the sat nav has sorted itself out, thankfully. I was intending to use that for Scotland, but if it's going to start playing up, that's going to be an issue. So sit back, enjoy the trip, enjoy the ride with me, and yeah, I'll bring you back if there's anything interesting to see. Which, let's face it, everything's interesting, but different levels, of course. Right, speak to you soon. So welcome back. Just gone through Petersfield, and just had a moment back there. I realised that I hadn't put my earbuds in, which is yeah, quite apt, I suppose, because on my way to have a custom pair fitted. But yeah, forgot to put them in, so pulled over in a village back there prior to Petersfield, and pulled over in a lay-by, turned the bike off, got off the bike, and all of a sudden it started rolling forward. The side stand was down, but yeah, I don't know what happened, but it just started rolling forward. Side stand collapsed and the bike fell over. And yeah, so absolute nightmare. And it's not until something like that happens that you actually realise how heavy these bikes are. Because to try and pick it up was, well, it took a lot of strength to pick it up, put it that way. Very heavy, but obviously managed to get it up because I'm on it. So, but yeah, what a nightmare. Hopefully that's the only mishap of this trip. We're just coming along towards, well, heading towards Winchester now, and unfortunately we're on this section that's average speed camera area. I think it starts just further up here, so we've got to be on our best behaviour. Not that we're not, ever. We're always on our best behaviour. So yeah, a bit of a heart skippy moment there, because obviously I think I was just getting off and it started, and I tried to catch it and I ended up falling over with it. But yeah, nightmare. Luckily there's no damage, because well, only apart from a few scuff marks on the crash bars there. But I guess that's what they're there for. But luckily, you know, I wasn't moving, it was stationary, but it just toppled over. Still got a ways to go, but I was just trying to work out the issue with the mic, because every time I stop the video with this new device, it obviously puts the camera in sleep mode. And the last time I switched it on, the mic wouldn't come on. So I don't know if there's a way to sort of keep the mic on and active, looking for the signal of the camera coming back on. I don't know, but if anyone has any knowledge or ideas or whatever, anything in the settings that I'm not aware of, drop a comment in the comment section below if you can, because that would really be helpful, because it seems to keep going off. And then of course the issue I then get is that I don't then have the my voice going through the mic excuse me, and it ends up being too noisy because it's the mic on the front of the camera. Anyway, I'm mumbling. Yeah, if anyone's got any ideas, let us know. Thank you. So welcome back everyone. Sun has come back out, and we are just coming through, to be honest I don't know where we are. We're not far from Banbury, because we're on the Banbury Road. I don't know what that meant. Oops, sorry, it's 20, my apologies, didn't realise it was 20. Yeah, I don't know where we are. Oh, there's a sign here, look. Deddington. Just gone through a village called Deddington. There we go. Banbury. Banbury Cross. So I've just been and had my ear impressions done. I didn't film it because the process was so quick. By the time I got in and he checked in my ears and everything was okay, put the silicone in and it was drying. So yeah, quite a quick process, painless. And speaking to the chap in there, I didn't get your name, so sorry about that. That it should be hopefully about 4 weeks, I think he said. So really looking forward to that. There is the bakery. And the bakery there. Oh, that'd be good. So here is Bourton-on-the-Water. Lovely place. Right. Why so sweet? Well, you find me on my way home. I didn't record a lot of coming home because it was boring, dual carriageways and all that. So didn't really feel like recording that. So we're about 50 minutes, I think, 50 minutes away from home. Oh yeah, it's on there, look, 54 minutes. So it's been a nice ride out. Not really much has happened on the way home. There's a bit of traffic, but when isn't there? Hopefully you've enjoyed watching. I know it's not very exciting and all that, but something to watch, something to put on in the background, as I've said. I just want to say thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I really appreciate it if you hit that like button. For no other reason than it just puts a smile on my face that someone's watching and someone's hit that like button. And if you fancy subscribing, then please do so. I just generally do rides out like this, nothing special. As I keep mentioning, I've got my Scotland trip coming up, so there'll be a series on that. So hit that subscribe button and you'll see that when it drops. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. See you next time.